Is this a gimmick or is it actually functional? Let's find out. Whenever I'm browsing YouTube and I see one of those lawn mowing videos, I like to watch them. I don't know, I'm weird. But I see a lot of these guys, they have this bar right here on their weed eater. And like it shows here, it's supposed to keep your back straight. So being cheap like me, I go to Amazon and I looked one up and I bought one. It's not the cheapest one, but not the most expensive one either. But I do have some reservations of what they sent me. I mean, yeah, it's an ergonomic trimmer grip. But up here it says trimmer greer. What's a trimmer greer? Greer. I knew somebody that used to have that as a last name. Ergonomic design. Ergonomic design. Maybe if it was endo, it could be something medical. Well, hey, this is to help your back, so I don't know. B-Nac Relier. B-Nac. B-Nac. B-Nac? Maybe the B is silent. Nac. Yeah, it's a no. Oh, the N is silent. Back Relier. Well, what's a relier? Relier. Relier. I don't know. Something to do with the back, I guess. Lightweight. Yeah. It's pretty light. This one here has really thrown me for a loop. Quick release lever. Quick release lever. Where do they think we are? Canines? So let's open this up and see what's in there. Oh, I need my box blade. There we go. Let's slice that open. All right. Turn it this way. Here, I'll let you guys be the first to see what's in here. Does it look any good or not? Well, let's see. We got some instructions. Well, it does say trimmer grip on it. And it does have a grip right there. Now what do we got here? Hey man, at least it's Chinesium and not plastic. It looks like I got to put this on my weed eater. And then they give me 4 of these bolts that screw in there. So let me get my weed eater and I'll be right back with you. I got my weed eater. I actually use a Milwaukee battery-powered weed eater. I can do almost my whole lawn on one big battery, the 6.0. So I kind of measured around and I figured right here was going to be the sweet spot. I'm not sure though, but we'll see. Now we got to try to hold this and put one of these screws in here. This is a, this screws in from the bottom. These are 10mm hex wrench. It does come with one, but I have a T-handle, so it makes that a lot easier. Whew! That was kind of a chore. Just to let you know, tighten all them bolts down evenly, because you'll get 2 of them down and the other ones won't go down, because it makes this all cattywampus. Now where's my greer at? Okay, it's right here. It goes in here, and then I guess this here's my lever right here. Take my lever and it goes in this side here. Then I'm supposed to figure out where I want it and really tighten it down. Let's go outside and let's see how this works. Okay, well at first I'm going to use this holding the normal handle. Then let's just see if this is going to work or not. Well, I guess I am hunched over. So now let's do it with the bar. See how much higher, better I can stand. I don't know, I guess I'm standing up straighter. It's weird getting used to it. Because normally you're holding right here, and now you're holding kind of up out here. But it does keep you straight. Just got to get used to gripping it right here. So is this a hack? I mean a gimmick, or is this thing functional? It's functional. I'll give it 4 out of 5 stars. It seems a little hokey, but then again, it's different. So maybe as I get used to it, maybe adjust this up or down just a little bit. You know, I don't know. But it does work. Would I recommend it? Yeah. Especially if you do have back pain like I do. I know I had surgery and it still hurts. So that's been a year almost. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to give it a try. It's under 20 bucks. Yeah, that much right there. Well, while editing the video, I discovered that the handle that I bought is out of stock and they don't know when they're going to get any more in. So I'm going to leave a link to something that's comparable that's pretty close to this one. It's about $4 more. So I'm just letting y'all know. I didn't get paid to make this video or anything. It's just whenever I buy something, if I think it's kind of cool, I'll make a video on it. Help someone out. Well, everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and leave me a comment. I love comments. I like to answer them, good or bad. Let me know what you think about this thing right here. And until the next time, see ya!